Good day. My name is Mark Sanchez from Philippines, which is I'm married with a son of 7 months. Finally, in 5 years, we got Marcus already. But anyway, my work experience as a butler, uh, it's totally 6 years, which is I worked from Al Fashalia Hotel for 3 years, and then I moved to Qatar for 3 years, which is providing service with the royal families as a head butler for 6 months, and then they give me a better opportunity, which is additional job description, which is the same work, the same duties as a FMB as supervisor. So yeah, I'm very happy to work with you, especially with the royal families, to provide them an excellent service, and take good care as my family own as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you.